Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to set up your minimum order quantity as well as your maximum order quantity. So what do you mean by that? Let's say you've got a requirement that nobody should be able to place an order for less than 2 items in your cart. We'll be able to set up the minimum order quantity, which we also discussed in a previous video. But what if you want that a customer should not be able to order more than 10 items at a time? Now, these are very specific settings that are required in very specific scenarios. So it's okay if you don't have that kind of a scenario, but let's see how to do that. So in order to do that, we just need to go to shop settings. In your settings, you need to go into shop settings, and out here, there is a minimum order cart quantity of 2, which we did. So if I make it 2, that means that I'll not be able to place an order with just one item in the cart. I need at least 2 items in the cart. And let's say if I were to put the maximum cart quantity as 10, what that would mean is I'll not be able to place an order beyond 10 items in the cart in total. So when I do this, and if I go back to my cart, as you can see that right now I've got 7 items in my cart. If I were to remove this, and if I were to remove this as well, and if I check out, it's going to say at least add one more item to the cart before proceeding. I'll go back to home. I'll add a different product. Let's say I add this and I go back to cart. Now it'll allow me to go to checkout. No, actually it wouldn't, because I've kept a minimum order value of 2000 rupees. So let me add another one of these and another one of these into the cart. When I proceed, I'll be able to just go to checkout. But if I want to actually add further more items, let's say if I were to go back into the cart, and if I want to add more items out here, let's say if I were to go to cart again, and let's say go into some other item out here, and I add more, and as you can see, I've already touched my 10. If I go and place 2 more, and now if I go to cart, because I've got a maximum order quantity which is configured, when I actually press on checkout, it will say remove 2 items to continue to checkout, because the maximum number of items that you can order is 10. So I'll have to remove 2 items and then proceed to checkout, and then it will allow me to check out. So that is all about minimum order quantity and maximum order quantity. Thank you.